How to start an electric vehicle (EV) charging station business in the USA. Complete Guide 2026. Did you know the number of electric vehicles in the USA is growing every year? That means one business is becoming more profitable than ever. EV charging stations. If you're looking for a future-proof business with long-term earning potential, this video is for you. Let's explore how to start an EV charging station business step by step. 1. Choose the right location. Location is everything. The best places include shopping malls, apartment complexes, office buildings, hotels, highways, restaurants, and gas stations. More traffic means more charging customers. 2. Decide your charging type. There are 3 main options. Level 1, slow charging, mainly for homes. Level 2, most popular for businesses. DC fast charger. Charges EVs quickly, but requires a higher investment. Choose based on your budget and target customers. 3. Estimate your investment. Your total cost depends on charging equipment installation, electrical upgrades, land or lease permits and maintenance. Starting small with level 2 chargers is often the most affordable option. 4. Earn money. You can make money through charging fees, monthly memberships, advertising on charging screens, partnerships with nearby businesses. The more EV drivers visit your station, the higher your earning potential. 5. Promote your business. List your charging station on popular EV charging apps. Use Google Maps, create a website, and promote your business on social media so drivers can easily find your location. Conclusion: the EV industry is growing fast, and charging stations are becoming an essential business opportunity. If you choose the right location, invest wisely, and provide reliable service, this business can generate steady long-term income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more USA business and finance content.